A very good morning, children. Today we'll be continuing with our chapter in Maths, chapter 13, Money. So in our last class, we learned what is money. So what is money? Money is used to buy things. For purchasing things, we need money. And we learned the different combinations of rupees and also the symbol of rupees. Today, we are going to learn the next topic, that is addition of money. So we have already learned what is addition. So today we are going to add money. So let's see what it is. So in your text page number 176, you can see a problem. Let's read this. It is addition of money. In this you can see an example. A cone of ice cream costs rupees 46 and a chocolate costs rupees 11. What is the total cost of both the items? So here you can see that a cone ice cream costs rupees 46 and a chocolate costs rupees 11. Now we have to find out the total cost of both these items. So to find out the total of these two items, what we have to do? We need to add both the numbers to get the total. So here you can see, to find the total cost, add rupees 46 and rupees 11. So here you can see 46 plus 11. So let's add that. First let's write 46 plus 11. So always we have to start from the ones position. So in the ones position here we have 6 plus 1. So how much is 6 plus 1? It is 7. So here under this ones position we'll write the number 7. Now we have to move on to the tens place. In the tens place we have 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So we'll write 5 here under the tens place and we get the answer 57. So the total cost of both these items is rupees 57. Let's see another example. Here you can see Pinky bought a frock for rupees 245 and a bag for rupees 320. Find the total amount paid by Pinky to the shopkeeper. So what did you understand from this question? Here you can see that Pinky went to a shop, she bought a frock and a bag, and the cost of the frock is rupees 245 and the cost of the bag is rupees 320. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the total amount that Pinky paid to the shopkeeper. So for finding out what we have to do, we need to add both these numbers. So we'll write 245 and 320. So let's write 245 plus 320. Here you can see that both are 3-digit numbers. That is, they have ones, tens, hundreds. So here we can say that they are 3-digit numbers. So always we need to start adding from the ones position. Here in the ones position we have 5 plus 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5 itself. So under the ones place we'll write 5. Moving on to the tens place we have 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. That we'll write here under the tens place. And moving on to the hundreds place we have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get the answer 565 rupees. So Pinky paid 565 rupees to the shopkeeper. Now let's add the numbers 146 plus 213. So here also you can see that both are 3-digit numbers. Here you can see they have ones, tens, hundreds. So always we need to start from the ones place. So let's add it. 146 plus 213. So in the ones place we have 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So write 9 under the ones place. Moving on to the tens place we have 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So let's write 5 here. And in the hundreds place we have 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we have 359 rupees. Let's do another example. Here we have 352 plus 34. So here you can see that 352 is a 3-digit number. And what about 34? 34 has only 2 digits. So we can say it's a 2-digit number. So let's add this. Let's write 352 plus 34. Since 34 is a 2-digit number, we have to write 3 under the tens place, 4 under the ones place. Now let's start adding from the ones place. So in the ones place we have 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So let's write it. Now in the tens place we have 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So let's write that. Now moving on to the hundreds place, we have only one number, that is 3. So we'll write that under here in the answer. So it becomes 386. Now in your textbook, page number 176, we have the practice coach. So let's start doing it. Here we have to add the numbers. So let's look at the first one, A. We have rupees 195 plus 23. Here you can see 195 is a 3-digit number and 23 is a 2-digit number. So let's start adding. In the ones place we have 5 plus 3. So how much is 5 plus 3? It is 8. So let's write 8 here. Now in the tens place we have 9 plus 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So let's write 1 here and we need to carry over the 1 to the hundreds place. Now in the hundreds place we have 1 plus 1. So how much is 1 plus 1? It is 2. So let's write here and we get the answer 218. Let's see another example. Let's do question number B. Here you have 124 plus 35. Here also you can see we have to add a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. So in the ones place we have 4 plus 5. So how much is 4 plus 5? It is 9. So let's write 9 here. Now in the tens place we have 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, moving on to the hundreds place, we have 1 here in the hundreds place. So there is no other number to add. So what we will do? We write the 1 in the answer. So we get the answer 159. So similarly, the rest of the exercises you can do it alone. Now page number 176 itself, we have a question. So let's read that. Adil bought a t-shirt for rupees 259 and a pair of jeans for rupees 679. Find the total amount paid by him. So what do you understand from this question? Here Adil went to a shop. He bought a t-shirt. And what is the cost of it? It is rupees 259. And also he bought a pair of jeans. And the cost of it is rupees 679. Now what we have to find out? Find the total amount paid by him. Now we have to find out how much amount did Adil pay to the shopkeeper. So for doing that, what we have to do? We have to add both these numbers. So let's add that. Rupees 259 plus 679. Now we'll start adding from the ones place. In the ones place we have 9 plus 9. So how much is 9 plus 9? It is 18. So what we'll do? We'll write 8 here and 1 we'll carry it over to the tens place. So now we'll move on to the tens place. In the tens place we have 1 plus 5 plus 7. So first we'll add the first two numbers, that is 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Now with that 6 we have to add the next number, that is 7. So it is 6 plus 7. So how much is 6 plus 7? It is 13. So what we'll do? We'll write 3 here, carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Now in the hundreds place we have 1 plus 2 plus 6. So let's add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So we'll write here 9 and the answer we got is 938. So Adil paid rupees 938 to the shopkeeper. Now, next question 3. Write in figures and add. So look here, A, it is 48 rupees. So how can you write this in figures? We have to write rupees, the symbol, and 48. So 48. Now look at the next one, B, it is 79 rupees. So write the symbol of rupee and we'll write rupees 79. Now what we have to do? We have to add both these numbers. So add rupees 48 plus rupees 79. So we'll add it separately and write the answer here. So what we have to do? So add 48 plus 79. You have to add 48 plus 79, find out the answer and write it here. Moving on to the next question. Ricky and Vicky decided to save some money out of their pocket money to donate to a children's home. If Ricky saved rupees 25 and Vicky saved rupees 36, find out how much money did they save together. So what we understand from this? Here, Ricky and Vicky saved some money out of their pocket money to give to a children's home. And Ricky saved rupees 25 and Vicky saved rupees 36. Now we have to find out how much money did they save together. So for finding out what we have to do, we have to add these two numbers. So let's add 25 plus 36. So 5 plus 6. So how much is 5 plus 6? It is 11. So write 1 here, carry over 1 to the tens place. Now we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 in the tens place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So Vicky and Ricky saved rupees 61. Now you have another question here. Write 2 things you would like to do for the homeless children. So what do you mean by homeless children? Children who do not have a home. So what all things we can do to help the children who do not have home? For homeless children, we can donate food for them. You can also donate books for them to study. You can also donate new clothes to them. So similarly, find out things that you can do to help the homeless children. So with this, we finish today's topic, addition of money. We'll be meeting in the next class with another topic. Till then, thank you.